Let's make plantain porridge. This is a simple and easy recipe. So guys, I have my pot on my stove here with about 2 cups of water. I rinse off the cinnamon stick and I add it in the pot. All right, I'm going to also add in some nutmeg and some salt. Okay, so I rinse off my plantain. I have 2 plantains here, but I'm going to use 1. And you need green plantains. All right. So you just want to cut the 2 ends of the plantain. Guys, if you want to peel your plantain, you peel your plantain with the knife, but this is the way I'm going to remove the skin of the plantain. So when you peel it and any green skin you see on it, you just use your knife and peel it off or scrape it off. All right. And then you're just going to slice it up, add it in your blender. See guys, there is no skin leaf on the plantain. And this is a simple and easy recipe. We have it for breakfast. So I add in some water, all right? And I add in some flour, some cinnamon and nutmeg. And you're just going to puree it, all right, until it's smooth. And I add the flour to give it, that's a thickening agent, okay? You could always add water if it's too thick for you. So you want to ensure your water is boiling, okay? You want going to add it in the boiling water. So guys, I add it in the boiling water. The camera was not rolling at the time, but it's okay. So I just add it in, and you want to ensure you keep stirring, okay, because you do not want it to burn or any lumps. And keep stirring, and it will cook about 15 to 20 minutes. So I add in my cinnamon and grate my nutmeg. If you have cinnamon powder, you could also use it. And I'm also going to sweeten with some condensed sweet milk. If you have your coconut milk, you could also use a coconut milk. I add in some vanilla extract, and I am using the Benjamin. And you just want to sweeten to your liking. And this is my way. Make sure you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you never tried plantain porridge before, please do. Okay? I add in some more cinnamon powder. I also going to add in brown sugar, and I also added nutmeg. Okay, and as I said, you just sweeten to your liking. Guys, leave a comment below and let me know what do you eat your porridge with. I love my porridge with some nice crackers, tough crackers / Elsa crackers. So here is my nice and delicious and tasty, simple and easy plantain porridge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, make a comment and share. So from my kitchen to yours, have a blessed day. One love. God bless. Bye.